Windsurf versus Cursor. Which one should you choose?
So Windsurf and Cursor.com, we should compare these two in order to have a comprehensive, explanation which you should choose. So Windsurf, or formerly Codium, is an AI native integrated development environment or IDE designed to enhance developer productivity through proactive assistance. So it acts as a proactive coding partner which offers a suggestion and automation task to maintain developer flow. So pricing, let's see. Pricing starts at $15 per month. So it has these features right here which give you that. Next is Cursor. So Cursor is an AI-powered code editor built on Visual Studio Code, which provides developers with intelligent coding assistance while maintaining a familiar environment. So its pricing, let's see. Pricing starts at $20 per month, which includes this subscription right here. So which one should you choose? I suggest choose Windsurf if you prefer a structured, proactive AI assistance that guides your development process, especially suitable for enterprise environments and beginner seeking a comprehensive tool. Choose Cursor if you're an experienced developer comfortable with VS Code, looking for flexible on-demand AI assistance that integrates seamlessly into your existing workflow.